Confused about handling customer deposits in AutoCount? We will guide you through applying deposits, processing refunds, and handling forfeited deposits correctly.
2.110, first of all, got two customer pay deposit. So to key in deposit function, we go to AR, deposit entry, and then create the first deposit received from debtor customer 1. So deposit account is the customer deposit and date at 25th January, and the description you can put here deposit received, and item here payment method is pay by CIMB, payment amount 300. So you press the save button, or you can print the receipt voucher over here. So save preview, do you want to enter a check number? If no, then you press no, and then you can preview the format deposit receipt voucher. And second transaction, second customer, you create new and then select deposit account. This is customer 3, and then dated 25 January, and payment method also CIMB. So payment amount also 300. So any check number, I think no. So we just save and then no check number. So before I proceed, before I move forward to the next section, I want to show you this deposit. You preview the balance sheet statement. So this balance sheet statement will show this deposit account over here. Now you see the customer deposit got 600. The queue, you can print this report. You go to AR, got this outstanding AR deposit report. Click here, and then you select the date is end of January, and then you inquiry preview. So over here we will list out this 600 is from these two customers. So after I show you, then I will proceed with the second part of 2.10 is how to apply this deposit on the customer 1. To apply this AR deposit, you go to receive payment. You apply this by issue officer receipt. This one is confirm payment already. So confirm payment, select customer name, and key in date is 27 January, and then payment method you select deposit. After select deposit, you prompt this listing and this screen, and then you just double click. You don't press cancel, don't press other button, just press OK. So the system will apply this deposit 300, and then you just knock off which document you want to be credit. So let's say I want to offset this invoice 001, and then I save. So if you go back to the AR deposit entry, you refresh, you see this outstanding going to be 0, and you preview this document or edit view that time, you see this screen already show the transfer amount is already 300 and the outstanding is 0. So another one is the last part of page number 10. The final part, we have this customer cancel this order. That's why we forfeit half of the money and then we refund another half. So in that point of view, so you just click the view button. You see after you click the view button, got this forfeit and refund button. But if you click the edit button, these two buttons is going to disappear. That's why if you want refund and forfeit, make sure you press this view button. Then only we proceed with refund and forfeit action. But before I proceed, I want you to double confirm with the AR deposit report. So now you'll see this AR deposit only left 300. So after we double click and then forfeit and refund, forfeit on the 30th of January, and then forfeit account, of course you have to create a new account. It's called forfeit, new account, other income. But now because only 1 or 2 transactions related to forfeit, that's why just update using this sales account. That's all. Instead of we create another new account for forfeit. And over here description for forfeit, you can put description if you know the reason why forfeit, and then amount is 150. If you don't know the description, just leave it and then save, and then do you want to close complete, and then yes. So the outstanding amount will update over here. And refund you add, and here change the date, the 3rd of January, and then payment method you can pay by cash, payment amount 150. If done, then we close it or save it.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.